Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nishan Nandkuliar. Today in this session I will give you a demo how we import a data from SQL Server to Power BI. Before we start this session, I will show you my backup of SQL data. So my SQL data is in my folder. This is my folder. This is AdventureWorks data which I install, which I download from the Google site. You can also download from Google site, and I will also mention in this description box. So this is a process how we create and restore the data of backup in SQL Server, and then we import from SQL to Power BI. So let us start the video. First we create a sample data of AdventureWorks. This is also created in my backup, so I will just show you how we import the data, how we restore the data in SQL Server. So what we do here, we just first we close this SQL Server and reopen. I just click here SQL Server. So this is SQL Server Management Studio, and I will open. This is my Windows authentication, and this is my server name. I just connect SQL Server. So this is login. I just right click on this database and click on restore database. After this we select the device button and we select here add click, and we find a data. Where is my data? So my data is in my D drive in this folder 12.3, and this is my data AdventureWorks 19.bak. I just click on OK button, and this data is added here, AdventureWorks cycle. This is SQL Server 150 Adventures 19 name. I just click the OK button. So this backup of AdventureWorks 19 has restored it in our database. So you just right click and refresh and click on the plus button. So this is your database AdventureWorks 19. So you just click here on the table and you check the which table has imported here. So before this open the table, because it depends on the net, I just open my Power BI report server desktop. So today in this session I will start fetch data from SQL Server to Power BI. So that is the basic requirement how we import the data from SQL. So there is a few options. You take a data, just one option is there. This is SQL Server. You can take the data from SQL Server from here, or you can click on get data, and SQL Server is also mentioned here. You can take from data also here, or you can click on the more options. The more options, all the data which you import from any sources, 99+ sources, then you can mention here: file, database, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure, others. You just click on the database and choose SQL Server database from this site. So I just click on the connect button, then one pop-up page will be open here. So this is mentioned, then I feed here the server name and a database name. So what is our server name? So server name is your desktop 91. I just copy the server name, and this is our database of AdventureWorks. I just the copy of this database, rename and copy of this database here, and we choose the import option for data connectivity and click on OK button. So one page will open here. This is the navigator key. This displayed under this database how many tables has imported in the database. So from this table there are lots of table in this database, so you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4 any other table as per your requirement in your organization. So for today this demo I choose data of sales territory. Before this choose I will see a data. This is our data. So I just click on this box button and load. This is our data. You can see this is your data. I choose the data of sales.territory. If you want to see, then you click the right click option, 1000 rows, then all the data will reflect here in this. Sorry, this is not your data, this is the data of sales territory, sales territory. Yeah, this is the actual data which I choose for Power BI. So this data has been loading here, so it takes a few minutes time. So this is the process how we restore the data backup file in our SQL Server Management Studio, and how we move the data from SQL to Power BI. So this is the process. Okay, and first we see our database. This is loading the data. I think it just take a few minutes time to load the data in Power BI. It depends on the what's your connection of speed of your internet setting. So now it is loaded here. So this is the data. So your data is loaded. This is your table. This is your table sales.sales territory, and this is your column ID name. So on this table view you can see your data. This is territory ID, name, country, region code, group, sales year to date, last year, sales last year, cost YTD, cost last year, and this is modified date. So from a start, what I do here, I just change the background screen of this canvas. I just choose a light brown color and transparency is 30. Okay, and I just click one box here for report name, and I just click here last year sales report, and just select all the options and select choose COID, and font size is 24, sorry, font size is 20, and bold, and select the center options. Okay, and choose the white theme, and in effect size we just click here on choose the dark maroon color. So this is the heading of this reports. So what we do here, this is our data. So we find here the name wise and group wise the last year sales and last sales last year, and region code wise. So in the first we create a table chart. Let's just click on table chart. This is our table chart. What I do here, I just click the name of this country and sales last year. This is sales last year mention. This is some of the sales. So before this I just want to format this option for increase the value. This is the value of the sales. I just copy this and paste and click the option here. So you just increase your this table and choose any other chart like clustered column chart. Okay, so this is your chart. This is the name of your country, and this is the sum of the last year sales, and we click on the format button and choose the data labels, and we click on the value option and choose 11. Color is black. This and custom is none, and auto is 0 point. So this is our data in the plus chart, and we just click here and we choose a line chart. In this line chart, I mention the territory. In this mention the country region code. Okay, so in this view I just country region code. This is code is mentioned in the x-axis and the last YTD mentioned in the y-axis, and we sort the data from the ascending order. Okay, and just data labels on of this report, and position will be, and value will be in none, and points of decimal is 0. So this is the data. This is the data of country region code, sum of the sales of last year. This is the name of the country and sum of sales of the last year, and this is the name of the last year by the stack column chart. This is a table chart, and this is the line chart of different datas. You can also mention the legend here in y-axis, so you can mention a group name. If you choose the group name in the legend, this is called Europe, North America and Pacific. So this is the region wise you can see the data. Okay, this data is from, you can, if you check the right hand click and show the data here, you can see all the data from region hand side. North America, this data, Europe, this data, Pacific, this data. So this data is mentioned as per your the requirement. If you want to change the theme of this whole the chart, then what you will do here, just click on the view button and click on here, and you choose any one of them. This is the AI of Power BI. So this means that you can automatically change of the background of this all the canvas. If I will choose this color, so this is changed as per the, we choose the view options. If we choose the executive options, so this is choose. So this is the demo which I have given here today, how we import the data from SQL Server to Power BI, and how we restore the data in SQL Server. So this is my today videos at demo. So guys, in our next video I will give you a demo how we create data from Excel to Power BI, and how we create the bulk of data in CSV file to Power BI. So please, I request you all, please watch my videos from beginning to end, do not skip the videos, and I will meet you in our next video. So thank you, bye bye.